Okay, guys, welcome back. For this part of the class, I will be looking at how to construct an ellipse using the rectangular method. Again, we'll use this existing dimension of 100 by 60. You could generate, if I was in AutoCAD, I use a shortcut. This is AutoCAD. So I'm going to use a shortcut method to do this. So for rectangle, I'm going to click this rectangle, click rectangle, and I'm going to specify, click here. Oh, I need to change to my construction layer first. So again, I'm going to use the feature in AutoCAD to draw the rectangle. It's called dynamic input. So I click here, left click my start point. The X on the X is 100. So I'm going to type 100, 100, comma 60, 60, enter. And this gives me the rectangle. Now I'm going to draw a line through the middle of this. And I'm going to change to my next construction line, black one in this case. So that is that quick way of drawing that. Enter. Enter to reactivate command. Click here, click down. All right, the next step is to divide this side. I guess what? No, I don't want to take it too advanced. You know, so let me just let me cheat a little bit. I could even delete this. All right. No, I need it. I need it. All right. So the next step is to all right. I'm going to divide this line into 4 equal parts. So divide div, enter. You will notice here that I draw a line over the existing line. And I ensure that selection cycle is activated. This selection cycling. What this does, please make note, what this does, this allows for duplicated lines, for duplicated lines to be identified. All right. So once you draw a line over line, if this is activated, you'll be able to select among duplicated lines. So I click here. It shows me all the lines that I have available. I click this. So I now can enter the number of parts I want to divide this into. I want this to be divided into 4. So I type 4, enter. So this is now divided into 4 equal parts. All right. Also, I want a line from here, quarter of this. So I'm going to draw a next line over this. But look, guys, normally with the book, you would draw the complete thing, but I'm using a shortcut method. All right. Again, I wish to divide this line into 4 equal parts. So I click this, select that. Oh, divide, div, enter. Select object to be divided, this. Yeah. Number of segments I want is 4, enter. The key here is to ensure that whatever number you divide this side into, you also divide this side into the same number of parts. I think these nodes are too big. I want to reduce the size of them. So I'm going to click them and let them be smaller. Right click, properties. I will need to go in nodes, DDP type, DDP type, enter. And I change this from 5 to about 3. So about 3 or 2 or 2. And these now change to a smaller. Oh, but they will not be visible on that drawing. You see, they'll be really tiny. All right, no problem. All right, so now our next move is to label these. So we first draw lines from, it's best to label these. Label these 1, 2, 3, and this 1, 2, 3. All right. So we use text, single line text. I start here. Text height wants to be about 2, 2, enter. Rotation angle 0, enter. And here this is 1, 1, 2, 3. All right. And from here again we have 1, 2, and we have 3 here. Click outside, escape. I'm now going to my construction layer and change the color here. All right, that. So now I'm gonna deactivate, well, it's already deactivated. I'm gonna draw a line from here. We could also use, we could use Ray. I think Ray gets this job done much faster. So go here, R-type Ray, start here, and we just click this, click that, and click that. And that is done, escape. And we go down here, space bar to reactivate Ray. We click here, and we draw 1 here, 1 here, 1 there. Escape. So Ray allows us to generate this much faster than if we were to do it other way. So my advice is to use Ray as best as possible. Now, at the point where 1 meets 1 is our first point. So 1 meets 1 here. So 1 meets 1 right here. 2 meets 2 right here. And the third point meets the third point right here. Right there. All right. So that is that. Now we are going to plot that little quarter of it. So escape. So next step is to change to our outline layer. Outline layer. So for this, you don't need to do more than a quarter of this. A quarter is good, right? And then you mirror the rest of it. So I'm changing now to my construction, my outline layer. Outline, outline. Then we use spline. Again, we can type SPL, SPL for spline, enter, or go into the draw and do the long method, which I hate to use. Oh, I moved, okay, no worry. So click here, 1 meets 1 here, 2 meets 2 here, 3 meets 3 here. Here is 1 point. And then always pull this down a little bit to get it nice and smooth, all right? Pull it down a little distance, pull it down. It's like creating some tension on it. Enter, then trim, all right? Then trim, TR, enter, enter. Click this, and that goes. Now that you have this, you're going to mirror everything here. You're going to mirror this, mirror. Let's trim it up. Let's clean this up first. TR, enter, enter. We're gonna use fence, as fence works really nice. Click here, click, click, click. Remember, you must click the enter key after the last one. Escape. Oh, we have some here. Trim, TR, enter, enter, escape. All right, so now we're gonna mirror everything up here, down there, and what is down here, up there, all right? So we're going to mirror all of this. So MI for mirror, enter. So instead of going through and drawing all of this again, you just simply use mirror. On this, enter. Specify the first mirror point. One is here, one is down here. Enter. So we have that. We must also mirror these. So we click this 1, 2, 3, MI for mirror, enter. Click here, click there, and enter. So we have everything there. Next, we're gonna go through and mirror everything on the other side. All right. So we click everything here. Type MI, enter for mirror. Base point is 1 point here, 1 point there, enter. And remember, you must dimension this, okay? So for persons who might not remember how to set up a dimension, I'm gonna go through that, all right? So once you have done how much time you have, oh, it's full time. It's full time, guys. All right, let me just go through quickly and show you how to set up a dimensioning. So